Welcome to Elite Apps Discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an awesome video editing app that's taking the world by storm, CapCut. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, CapCut has something for everyone. Let's jump in and see what makes this app so special. CapCut is a free all-in-one video editing app by ByteDance, the creators of TikTok. You can find it on both Android and iOS. Once you open the app, you're greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface that makes it super easy to navigate. First things first, let's import some media. You can add videos, photos, and even music directly from your device. Just tap on New Project, select your media, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about the basic editing tools. CapCut offers all the essentials: trimming, cutting, and splitting. You can easily adjust the duration of your clips, rearrange them, and create the perfect sequence. It's incredibly intuitive, but what sets CapCut apart are its advanced features. Let's check out some of the coolest ones. Effects and filters are a huge part of any video editing process, and CapCut doesn't disappoint. With a wide variety of effects and filters, you can completely transform your footage. Whether you want a vintage look or something more modern, there's something for every style. Transitions are another highlight. CapCut offers smooth and creative transitions that can make your videos look professional. From simple fades to complex animations, you can find a transition that fits your project perfectly. Adding text and stickers is a breeze. You can customize fonts, colors, and animations to match your theme. Plus, there's a huge library of stickers and emojis to add some fun to your videos. Music and sound effects can make a huge difference in your video's impact. CapCut allows you to add tracks from their library or import your own. You can also add sound effects to give your video that extra punch. For those looking to dive deeper, CapCut offers advanced editing tools like keyframe animations, chroma key for green screen effects, and even speed adjustments. These features give you the flexibility to create complex and dynamic videos. Once you're done editing, sharing your video is simple. You can export in various resolutions and directly share to social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. It's seamless and quick. Overall, CapCut is an impressive video editing app that's perfect for creators of all levels. Its combination of basic and advanced features makes it a versatile tool for any project. So, what are you waiting for? Download CapCut and start creating today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.